Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Fallout Tabletop RPG. First, familiarize yourself with the core rulebook, which details character creation and game mechanics. You'll use a 2d20 system for most actions, rolling 2 20-sided dice to meet or beat a target number. Successes determine outcomes, and critical successes grant extra benefits. Prepare to immerse yourself in a world of tough decisions and thrilling adventures. Building your character is crucial for surviving the wasteland. You'll distribute points among your SPECIAL attributes: strength, perception, endurance, charisma, intelligence, agility, and luck. These attributes influence your skills, like your ability to hack terminals or repair equipment. Then, select perks that give your character special abilities, such as improved combat prowess or better scavenging luck. Combat in Fallout TTRPG is dynamic, using action points for movement and attacks. You'll roll your 2d20 dice, aiming for successes to hit your targets and deal damage. Beyond combat, exploration is key. You'll scavenge for useful items, from bottle caps to rare components, and discover new locations. Be prepared for encounters with dangerous creatures and rival factions as you journey through the irradiated landscape. As the game master, your role is to weave compelling stories and challenge your players. Describe the world vividly, present interesting dilemmas, and adapt to player choices. Encourage creative problem-solving and deep role-playing to make the experience truly immersive. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. A well-prepared GM makes for an unforgettable adventure, so have fun building your post-apocalyptic world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.